today we're going to be testing out the new ChatGPT 2.2 image generator, and we're going to be using this to generate product photography ads. We're going to see if it can actually create high quality ad visuals, or does it still fall short. So seeing different aspects, we're going to be checking out the text renderings and so much more. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. So the ChatGPT 2.2 image just launched and a lot of people are talking about it. And for today, we're going to be using it for product photography ads, and we're going to see how good it actually is. So for this, we're going to be making use of these products here. We're going to be making use of different products. So these are the products we're going to be making use for. We are going to see how it's going to render those texts. So for today's video, we're going to be making use of OpenArt AI. So you can access the ChatGPT 2.2 image generator. ChatGPT 2.0 image generator. You can see it here. You can access it using OpenArt AI. Yeah. So first of all, we're going to click on it here. So let's click on it. So I'm going to make use of this image here. So I asked ChatGPT to give me some couple of prompts which I'm going to be using in today's video. And I'm going to set my model. This is the model I'm using, the ChatGPT 2.0 image model. And you can see we have other couple of models here. But for today's video, we're going to be making use of the ChatGPT 2.0 image model. So we're going to select it here. Yeah, so I'm going to paste in this my prompt I got from ChatGPT. So this is the prompt here. Go on this place that says auto polish, and you can also click on enhance prompt if you want to enhance the prompt, but I'm just going to leave it like this. So you can see it has already enhanced the prompt. So I'm going to set the quality to high, and for our output we're going to be making use of 4 by 5, which is like the Instagram size for posting. So I'm going to set you can set this to 4 outputs, or you can leave it at just 1 output. So I'm going to leave mine at 1, or let's try 2 outputs, and I'm going to click on generate. These are going to cost it 230 credits. I'm going to click on generate, and it's going to generate. So you can see that our image is done generating. So let's open the image here. So you can see the image we got, and you can see how the text rendering is. So let's look at this. So this is our reference image. So you can see that the text rendering is smooth, and this is actually amazing, unlike those times when you get cut out images, cut out text, or you get text that are not part of the product. So this is actually amazing. You can see that it redefined or it enhanced some of the text there. So let's check this other image here. Why this is for the second one. So this is actually amazing. I generated one before making this video. So this is the one I generated before making this video, and you can see how cool this is. So let's move on to the second image to see. Second image, we're going to be making use of this products here, and this is our prompt we pasted. Yes, I'm going to still set this to polish, and let's make use of just 1 output to see the results we get. So let's click on generate. So our image is done generating, and you can see the image here. So you can see the image here. So let's open the reference image. This is the reference image, and you can see that the shape of the bottle is still intact, and everything here is still intact plus the text. So this is actually amazing. So let's go ahead and download it. So let's move on to, so when you click on download, you can download either JPEG, PNG, or you can download maybe the web version. So let's cancel it. So let's go for other brand. So let's go for a beverage brand. So this is the brand we're going to be making use of here. So I'm gonna paste in this my prompt from ChatGPT. I'm gonna paste this here, and let's click on generate to see the results we are going to get. This is going to save you a lot of money for your product photography, and especially if you're just launching a new brand, you can make use of the ChatGPT 2.0 image generator to create product photographs of your image, high quality product photograph of your image without spending a fortune. So this is actually amazing. But we got for the chupa chips product photography, and this is actually amazing. This is really amazing. So let's look at the reference image. So this is the reference image here, and you can see it gave it like the lemon splash effect on it. So this is the reference image here, and you can see this 34 mil. You can see it is still, yeah, and you can see that the text and everything is still intact. The can size is still intact. So this is actually great, and this is actually something that is amazing, to be honest. So let's move on to the next brand. This is for the second image. I'm going to be making use of this. So this has a lot of text, that's why I'm making use of it. So let's paste in the prompt. So I'm going to paste in the prompt here, and I'm going to click on generate. So you can see the results we got, and this is actually amazing. This is actually amazing. You can see that the lighting here is actually constant. You can see the shadows beneath. You can see that this light here is coming from the side and hitting the shadows over here. So this is actually amazing. This is the original reference, and you can see the results we got. So this is for a Kellogg's product. So this is the reference here. So I'm going to paste in this prompt from ChatGPT, and I'm going to click on generate. So you can see for the Kellogg's, this is actually amazing. This is seriously amazing. So let's click on the image to see. So you can see the Kellogg's ad. This is cool. So let's go ahead and download it, and let's try this last two prompts for this chocolate brand here. So I'm going to paste in this prompt here and click on generate. And what we can see for this Kit Kat on this chocolate brand, you can see how cool this is. You can see how the composition is and everything. So this is actually amazing, to be honest, and this is actually cool. So let's go ahead and download this. So this is, you can see this, it maintained the write-ups here and so much more to do with it. So you can use this to product campaigns. You can use this to create when you're launching your brand. You can use this to create multiple photography ads to test your product out there. So this is actually amazing. So next, let's try out the baby shampoo brand. I'm going to paste in my prompt here, and let's click on generate. You can see for the shampoo brand, you can see the results we got. This is the reference image here, and you can see the results we got, which is actually amazing. So let me know if you need the prompts in the comment section. I'm going to be providing the prompts in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts too. So these are some other couple of images I generated using the ChatGPT 2.0 image model. So the link for you to access the ChatGPT 2.0 through OpenArt AI is in the description and also in the pinned comment. So that is it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you want me to share your prompts, I can share the prompts for this product in the comment section. So if you found this video helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell not to miss amazing content like this. I'm Joseph from Josie Concepts. See you in my next video. Thank you.